Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find hidden Facebook friends list. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First, you need to open your Facebook app. After that, go to menu on the top right. Then tap on see your profile from the top. After that, scroll down and go to friends. Here tap on friends. Now, you'll get to see all your friends from here. So here, I'll tap on a friend's account. And after that, I'll scroll down and tap on see all friends. And here, as you can see, I can see their friend. But this is where you see their usual friends and not the hidden ones. And now, I'll go back and open another account. From here, I'll tap on their followers. And then if I tap on the friends tab, as you can see, I can see all their friends. But that is because they didn't set their privacy to private. So now to show you guys, I'll go back and search for a random person on Facebook. And as you can see, I'm going to the search bar and searching for a random person. And after that, I'll open their account. Now if I scroll down, there is Friends tab. I'll tap on that. And here, as you can see, there is no friends available to show. That is because they set their privacy to only friends or only themselves. So you can only see friends of people who set their privacy to everyone. Or if you're friends with them, if they set their privacy to only friends, you can see their friend list. Other than that, you can only see their mutual friends and nothing else. So there is no way to find Facebook hidden friends list if their privacy is set to private.